Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your account is ready. On your old phone, Confirm Contact Sync is enabled for your Google account. Once done, sign into the same Google account on the new phone. That's the bridge transferring data. Make sure Wi-Fi is active and battery is above 20% so sync won't stall. If you use two-step verification, keep your secondary device or code accessible. That prevents lockouts and speeds the transfer. Now you enable sync on the new device. Go to Settings, choose Accounts, tap your Google account and toggle Contacts Sync on. Open the Contacts app and select your Google account view so you see synced entries appear. Sync can take minutes depending on size. If some contacts don't show, export a VCF from the old phone and on the new device use Contacts Import to pull that file in. This manual import covers any items missed by auto-sync. Finish by verifying everything. Open Contacts. Google.com in a browser to check labels, duplicates, and that all numbers moved over. This is faster for bulk fixes. If syncing stalls, clear the Contacts app cache or remove and re-add the Google account on the phone. That forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode or switch Wi-Fi to isolate network issues, and remember to wait a few minutes after each action so Google's servers catch up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.